Hi, my name is Ashil, and today I'll be showcasing my car catalog progressive web app, a modular system designed to stimulate our dealership interface. It is built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript on the front end, and with Express.js powering the backend and SQLite handling all the database. To run the app locally, you will need to first install all the dependencies that the app will be using. So you'll go npm install in your terminal. So this should install the dependencies, but since I already have them installed, it updates them for me. But in your case, it should normally install them and it shouldn't take that long. And if we want to start the application, we do npm start. So this function in the npm database is basically runs the server.js, which is stored in backend. So this server.js basically sets up the PWA and runs itself. So that's why we have a link. So our PWA, it's running at localhost at 3000. But before we go into the PWA, I'd like to show you my files. So in my files, we have a html.index. So this is basically that creates the web app itself, not like the full application, but like the bare bones of it. Then we have the main.js. This basically handles all the filtering stuff like that. We also have our style folder. This basically looks after the way our PWA looks. And then we have our databases. So databases will be looked in a different section of the video. When the app starts, it automatically checks for instance of cars.db. If the file does not exist, the file which I have currently open right now creates it. In which that file it creates a table for cars, features, and also manufacturers, and all the information needed for this file is stored in the seed.sql. We have the features, we have the cars, and also we have the manufacturers. So if I run this command npm start, if you see on top, it creates the cars.db file. In this we have our cars, we have our feature table, and we also have a manufacturer table. Each table has its own unique ID, so the unique car identification. We have the manufacturers, the make, the model, the year, engine type, transmission, and stuff like that. Also, we have our image.url. All our images are saved in public folder, so we have all the car images here. Technical overviews aside, let's have a look at the main PWA. You start off with the title, car catalog, and cars are the items which I'm cataloging. Users can filter via the manufacturer, engine type. They can also either set a range of cars being displayed. We have minimum year or maximum year. They can also sort by year, price, horsepower, and the make. We also have a ordering system if you guys like. We have a ascending order and descending order. Let's try examples. So we start off with Chevrolet, click on apply. We have one car available. Go on BYD, we have one car available. So finally let's try Holden. We have two cars available for Holden, and if we click on a car, it pops up in a tile which has the car name, manufacturer, engine, transmission, and other information about the car. As we scroll up and we go back on any manufacturer, so we have all the cars available. So since this is a PWA, each car is responsive to the aspect ratio of the web app. So as you see, if I bring it in closer or bring it outside, it adjusts to the aspect ratio. To validate performance and quality, I ran a lighthouse audit and the scores were as follows: 90% in performance, 99% in accessibility, 100% in best practices, and 83% in SOEs. I also have the performance matrix data. So in the first contentful paint, I got 0.2 seconds. In the largest contentful paint, I got 1.6 seconds. Total blocking time, I got 0 milliseconds. And for speed index, I got 0.2 seconds. These results confirm that the app loads quickly, remains visually stable, and follows modern coding standards. If you would like to try the car catalog for yourself, you can download it or install it directly from the link below or on slide. Thank you.